In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook with Adobe InDesign. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning. So even if you're new to InDesign, you can follow along step by step and end up with a clean, professional ebook ready to export. First, open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. When the new document window appears, switch the intent to digital publishing or web, depending on your version. This tells InDesign that you're designing for screens rather than print, which adjusts things like color mode and default sizing. Set your page size to something common for ebooks, such as 6 by 9 inches or a tablet-friendly preset. Make sure facing pages is turned off if you're creating a single-page view ebook like a typical EPUB or PDF. Next, adjust your margins and add columns if needed. Generous margins help your text breathe on screen and prevent it from feeling cramped. If your ebook will be text-heavy, you might stay with a single column. If it's more magazine style, 2 columns can work nicely. Take a moment here to think about how people will read this. On a tablet, laptop, or phone. That can influence your font size and line length. Now, set up your master pages. Master pages are templates that control common elements across your ebook, such as headers, footers, page numbers, and background graphics. Open the Pages panel. Double-click on the master and add anything you want repeated throughout the document. For example, you might place a subtle page number at the bottom or a small logo at the top. This step will save you a lot of time later. With the structure ready, you can start importing your content. Use the Type tool to draw a text frame. Then go to File and Place to bring in your manuscript or chapter text. InDesign can thread text automatically across multiple pages, which is very helpful for longer ebooks. Pay attention to styles. Set up paragraph and character styles for your headings, subheadings, and body text. This keeps formatting consistent and makes later edits much easier. Add images where appropriate by using File and Place again. Make sure images are high enough resolution for screens and use object styles to keep their appearance consistent. Finally, when everything looks good, export your ebook. Go to File, Export, and choose either EPUB or PDF, interactive, depending on your distribution needs. In the export dialog, review options like image quality, hyperlinks, and table of contents settings. Then export your finished ebook.